You have 1 minute to complete problem number 15. If you have obtained an answer of E, please move on to the next question. If you are unsuccessful in achieving this answer, please continue to watch the instructional video that follows. There may be a quicker way, but this is what came to me. I know this is a straight line. These two angles are then supplementary. So what plus 47 equals 180? You can grab a calculator. 180 subtract 47 means that this angle is 133. I also know that these two angles, I'm going to just put a question mark, have to add up to 180. 3y plus this angle, which I have a question mark, has to equal 180. So if I isolate the question mark, I know that this angle is 180 subtract 3y. This is 180 subtract 3y. Likewise over here, these two angles are supplementary. They create a 180 degrees, or a straight line. So 180 is composed of the angle I have as a question mark plus 2x. And if I want to isolate the question mark, I'm going to subtract 2x from the opposite side. So this is 180 subtract 2x. Now remember, the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. So 133 plus 180 minus 3y plus 180 subtract 2x has to equal 180. I'll move this up so you can continue to watch me solve this here. So I'm going to combine like terms. I'm going to take 133 plus 180 plus 180. And you can do that on your phone or a calculator if you happen to have that nearby. But those three numerical values add up to 493. I have subtract 3y and a subtract 2x equals 180. I'm going to move this numerical value that doesn't have any variables to the opposite side. It's currently positive. When it goes over, it will be negative. Negative 3y minus 2x equals, and now on a calculator I take 180 subtract 493 to equal a negative 313. Now keep in mind, I'm trying to isolate for the y. Why is that? I'm trying to find out what is 3y divided by 2. 3y divided by 2. So let's just first of all figure out what is 3y. So I want to get this 3y by itself. I'm going to start by adding the 2x to the opposite side. Negative 3y equals negative 313 plus 2x. And now I want to also get rid of this negative sign. So divided by negative 1, divided by negative 1. I have a positive 3y. Positive 3y equals, remember this negative has to both be divided by negative 313 and positive 2x. So two negatives make a positive, and a positive divided by negative is negative with a 2x. All right, but if you look up to the original problem, it doesn't just want to know what is 3y, it wants to know what is 3y divided by 2. So I divide the left by 2 and the right by 2. On a calculator, take 313 and divide it by 2. 313 divided by 2 is 156.5. Don't do any more work. Let's look at their options. The only one with a 156.5 is E. I can eliminate everything else, and I don't even have to worry about working through to know that 2 divided by 2 is 1. Attach the x, bring down the negative sign, and that's how they obtain the answer of E.